Hello class, how are you today? Today is Monday, April 27th, 2020. Monday, April 27th, 2020. Hello, so how was your weekend? Como foi o seu fim de semana? How was your weekend? Was it good? My weekend was very good. Meu fim de semana foi ó. My weekend was very good. Hoje nós vamos continuar cantando aquela música da semana passada. Oh, I can dance. Do you remember? Você se lembra? Do you remember? Nós vimos duas partes da música e hoje vamos aprender a última parte. Na primeira parte aprendemos a falar jump. Can you jump? Can you jump really high? Lembra disso? Do you remember? The second part, a segunda parte, we learn how to say run. Nós aprendemos o run. How do you say run em português? Yes, correr. And today we are gonna say shout. Shout means gritar. Mas não é aquele grito chato, estridente, é aquele grito de alegria. Uhul, yeah! Aquele bom, tipo um jogo de futebol. E ela vai perguntar, can you shout? Can you shout really loud? Você consegue gritar bem alto? Can you shout? Can you shout really loud? Só que aí, para terminar, vai ser bem legal, porque ela vai falar algumas coisas que você tem que repetir. Ela vai falar assim, say hey, hey. Você tem que falar assim, hey, hey. É bem bacana. E termina da mesma forma que começa. Oh, I can... Quem se lembra? Yes, I can dance. Oh, I can swing. Oh, I can sing. Na, 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 na. Então vamos ver se você consegue fazer tudo hoje comigo. Vamos lá? So let's do it! was a lot of fun, right? So, I'm gonna tell you a story. It's story time. E essa história, this story is gonna help you, vai te ajudar com a palavrinha que nós cantamos muito nessa música. Can. Can you dance? Can you dance really high? Do you remember? Can significa poder. Se você quiser falar assim, eu posso dançar. I can dance. Eu consigo nadar. I can swim. Eu consigo pular muito alto. I can jump really high. Eu posso correr rápido. I can run fast. Eu consigo gritar bem alto. I can shout loud. Igual tá na música. Jump high, run fast, shout loud. And the name of this story is What Can You Do? O que você pode fazer? What can you do? Can you dance? Can you jump really high? Can you run fast? Can you speak English? So in this story, it's what can you do? Hello, zebra. What can you do? Can you play with a ball? Hello, zebra. Can you play with the ball? O que será que ela responderia? Yes, I can or no, I can't. Será que ela consegue brincar com a bolinha? Play with the ball. Hello, giraffe. What can you do? Can you fly with the birds? Can you fly with the birds? Can the giraffe fly like a bird? Será que ela diria o quê? Yes, I can or no, I can't. Fly, ó. Fly. How do you say fly em português? Voar. Can you fly? Você pode voar? Yes, I can or no, I can't. Hello, turtle. What can you do? Can you climb with the monkeys? Can you climb with the monkeys? Climb, escalar. Se você perguntar para turtle, Hey, turtle, can you climb? Você consegue escalar? Can you climb? What do you think she would say? O que ela diria? Yes, I can or no, I can't. And you, e você? Can you climb a tree? Você consegue subir numa árvore? Can you climb a tree? Look at the hippo. Hippo. Hello, hippo. What can you do? O que você pode fazer? What can you do? Can you jump with the kangaroos? Can you jump with the kangaroos? Você pode pular com os cangurus? Can you jump with the kangaroos? What do you think? The hippo would say, yes, I can or no, I can't. Hello, lion. What can you do? Can you sit and play with me? Can you sit? Você pode sentar and play with me e brincar comigo? Can you sit and play with me? Do you think the lion would say yes, I can or no, I can't? Será o que ele diria? E agora a pergunta é para você. The question is for you. Little boy, little girl, what can you do? O que você consegue fazer? What can you do? Se alguém pergunta assim, Miss Gleyce, what can you do? Eu vou pensar aqui em 3 coisinhas que eu consigo fazer. Vou escrever aqui, ó. I can sing. Eu consigo cantar. I can speak English. Eu posso falar inglês. And let me see. Eu consigo andar de bicicleta. I can ride a bike. Minhas respostas. I can sing. I can speak English. I can ride a bike. And you? What can you do? Lembre-se que quando você for falar uma coisa que você consegue fazer, você vai falar I can e aquilo que você consegue fazer. Se você consegue dançar balé, I can dance ballet. E se você não consegue, I can't dance ballet. Do you remember the professions? Você se lembra das profissões? Take a look at this. Dá só uma olhadinha.
English Sing Sing. Job. Whose tools are these?
Artist. Artist. Where do you work?
I work in a studio.
Studio.
Whose tools are these?
Carpenter. Carpenter. Where do you work?
I work in a carpenter's shop.
Carpenter shop.
Whose tools are these?
Cook. Cook. Where do you work?
I work in a restaurant.
Restaurant.
Whose tools are these?
Doctor. Doctor. Where do you work?
I work in a hospital.
Hospital.
Whose tools are these?
Engineer. Engineer. Where do you work?
I work in a factory.
Factory.
Whose tools are these?
Farmer. Farmer. Where do you work?
I work in a farm.
Farm.
Whose tools are these?
Firefighter. Firefighter. Where do you work?
I work in a fire station.
Fire station.
Whose tools are these?
Hairdresser. Hairdresser. Where do you work?
I work in a salon.
Salon.
Whose tools are these?
Pilot. Pilot. Where do you work?
I work in an airplane.
Airplane.
Whose tools are these?
Police officer. Police officer. Where do you work?
I work in a police station.
Police station.
Whose tools are these?
Scientist. Scientist. Where do you work?
I work in a science lab.
Science lab.
tools are these?
Singer. Singer. Where do you work?
I work in a broadcasting station.
Broadcasting station.
Whose tools are these?
Teacher. Teacher. Where do you work?
I work in a school.
School.
Whose tools are these?
Vet. Vet. Where do you work?
I work in an animal hospital.
Animal hospital.
Review.
Artist. Carpenter. Cook. Doctor. Engineer. Farmer. Firefighter. Hairdresser. Pilot. Police officer. Scientist. Singer. Teacher. Vet.
Now it is time to say goodbye. Goodbye, so long, farewell, my friend. Goodbye, so long, farewell. Goodbye, so long, farewell, my friend.